So,
All right, this is my son right here, Keshawn. He about to try a piece of Mama's fried chicken. Get this one. Get this one right here. Get that one. Go ahead and try some of that fried chicken.
man, this chicken good.
You hear that? He say this shit good. How good, man? It's
shit good.
tell him it's better than cake, ain't it? Look at him, y'all. He loves this chicken right now. He is going crazy.
He said that shit good. Hey, you better quit cussing that for you. Yeah, you better quit cussing, man.
Yo, son, how good is the chicken?
Bro, 1 to 10?
Yeah, on a scale of 1 through 10.
25.
A 25. He say on a scale of 1 through 10, it's 25. That means it broke the scale, y'all. The chicken broke the scale, y'all. The chicken broke the scale, y'all. Yeah.
Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah. Mom, what's your secret to frying chicken?
Season it, wash it.
Look at the camera now, Mama.
Wash the chicken, season it, and fry it. Deep fry is the best thing to use.
Yeah, that deep fry the best thing to use, and she ain't lying. Look, this thing probably off right now, but my mama fried the hell out of some chicken in this deep fry. Look at that thing done started sizzling again. You close the top, that thing be ready, boy.
Try a piece.
She want me to try a piece. So I'm gonna try a piece.